Welcome to the Wixpa Google Tag Manager app. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to install and add Quora Pixel ID into Wixpa Google Tag Manager. We will cover everything clearly, so you can follow along easily. Before we start, make sure that you have active accounts on both Quora and Google Tag Manager. I already have both accounts ready, so we can jump straight into the setup. First, open the Wixpa Google Tag Manager app. Go to the Theme Extension section and click on Activate. Once it is activated, click the Save button. Now, copy the code that is provided for you. Go to the Settings section, paste the copied code there, and set the permissions to Not Required. Finally, click Save again to confirm all changes. Next, we will set up the pixel. You have two options: you can do it manually, or automatically by clicking Continue with Google. For this tutorial, I will choose Continue with Google to keep it simple and quick. Now, select the Google Tag Manager account you want to use. In my case, I already have a GTM account and container, but for this tutorial, I will create a new container. This ensures a clean setup for tracking. Once the container is ready, select Quora as the platform. To connect Quora, we need the Pixel ID. Go to your Quora account, click on Setup Pixel, then install manually, then look at this. This is the Pixel ID. Copy the Pixel ID and paste it into Wixpa Google Tag Manager. After pasting, you can either leave the default settings or adjust them according to your preference. For this video, I will continue with the default settings. The setup will take about 3 to 5 minutes to complete, as the data needs some time to populate. After waiting a few minutes, go back to Google Tag Manager, and you will see that the new container has been created, and the data is starting to appear. You will now see all the tags, triggers and variables. Click on the Preview button in Google Tag Manager to open your website in debug mode. Here, you will be able to see that the tags, like page view, initiate checkout, and other important events, are firing correctly. This confirms that the Quora Pixel ID has been successfully added. And that's it. That is the complete process for adding a Quora Pixel ID into Wixpa Google Tag Manager. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy tracking!